Can belly shape determine baby gender? The truth, how you carry your pregnancy, both the size and shape of your belly, has to do with a number of factors, none of which indicate the sex of your baby. If this is your first pregnancy or if you have strong abdominal muscles, you may carry your baby higher because the abdominal wall isn't as stretched. Who kicks more, boy or girl? One study, published in 2001 in the journal Human Fetal and Neonatal Movement Patterns, found that boys may move around more in the womb than girls. The average number of leg movements was much higher in the boys compared to the girls at 20, 34 and 37 weeks, that study found. Are boy babies bigger? It is true that on average baby boys weigh more at birth than baby girls, and so this could make the bump for a boy slightly bigger. But this small difference in weight does not change the shape of the bump. The second is the position of the fetus in the womb. Did you have morning sickness with a boy? Pregnancy myth number 6, sick to your stomach. Studies have found that women with a severe form of morning sickness called hyperemesis gravidarum are more likely to give birth to girls. But a pregnant woman can certainly have morning sickness, even bad morning sickness, when she's carrying a boy. Can baby boy have high heart rate? You may have heard that your baby's heart rate can predict their sex as early as the first trimester. If it's over 140 BPM, you're having a baby girl. Below 140 BPM, you're carrying a boy. Some even shared that their boys actually had higher heart rates, while others shared that their girls had lower beats per minute. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.